Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE5. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 13,087 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts, the front left tire at 830 seconds, the front right at 830 seconds as well, and the rear at 1030 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the trunk shock won't hold the lid open. The left turn signal switch is also faulty and must be pushed up and left to make the signals work. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This trike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with pinstriping. This trike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.